with the latest statement coming in from America on the strikes. The U.S. Central Command has said that it has completed the third round of strikes against Iran this week. CENTCOM has claimed that 140 Iranian military targets have been hit, including missile and drone sites, naval facilities and communication networks. The U.S. also says that 300 targets have been struck in the recent operation to deter attacks on commercial vessels in the Strait of Hormuz. So it's official now. The war has returned. Hormuz has turned into a battle zone once again. The ceasefire is over. Missiles are flying, warnings are flying, retaliation and revenge threats are ongoing. For now, America has said that it has completed the third round of strikes. This is the third round of strikes ordered by U.S. President Donald Trump in the last 1 week itself on Iran. CENTCOM has also said that 140 military targets have been hit. Drone sites have been targeted. Naval facilities and communication networks in Iran have been targeted. The U.S. also says that 300 targets have been struck in the recent operations. And they are saying they're doing this to deter attacks on commercial vessels. Remember, the attack on a Cyprus-flagged ship is the reason for the latest wave of strikes. With that, there's more news coming in. And this time we have a response from Iran. So IRGC claims that it struck and stopped a second offending vessel in the Strait of Hormuz. So this is only getting bigger. The escalation in the Strait of Hormuz playing out. The IRGC has now once again said that it has stopped and it has struck a second offending vessel. The latest strikes are because of the attack on a container vessel, a Cyprus-flagged container vessel. One of the crew members was reported missing. The engine had suffered massive damage. Now, the IRGC is also warning that continued U.S.-Israel action will invite even more devastating response. Srinjoy Chaudhary is with us. Back to square one, Srinjoy. The ceasefire is over. The missiles are flying. Strait of Hormuz is tense again. Ships are getting attacked. Can you give us a lowdown of the number of ships that have been targeted